Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can obtain the Hodges-Lehmann estimate in a one sample scenario with Python. I'm currently using Python version 3.12 and the Hodges-Lehmann estimate is a median of the Walsh averages, and the Walsh averages is taking every possible pair of two values and calculating each time the average. This excludes the duplicate. So for example, if we take the first and the fifth, that would be the same as the fifth and the first. So we only count those once, but we do include the ones that are a pair with itself, so the third score and the third score again. Now to show you how this can be done, I'll load in some pandas data, or actually done that. Once that's loaded, I can use the read CSV function to load the student statistics data, which is just some responses from students on a survey. One of them was about if the teacher could motivate them, and I'm storing that under the ordinal field. To show you the results, the value counts, so we can see that, for example, 7 students agreed with this. In a separate video, I show you how you can actually do this with my own library, which actually has a function for this. But in this video, I'm going to do it the long way around. So first up, I'm not going to be using pandas, so I actually convert the data first to a list, which is a Python's core collection type. Once we have our data, I need to remove any missing values. So I'll be using the ordinal field list cleaned, and for every value I'm just gonna keep it if it's actually a value. And next I'm gonna replace X is none. Yep. So next I'm gonna replace the values by their numerical values. So those categories I defined earlier, I can now actually just get the values of those, so that instead of having text, I actually have them now as numbers. The sample size might be useful, so I'm going to use Python's len function, so that way I also know that there are 54 scores in total. Now I need to pick every possible combination, calculate the average. So I'm going to calculate all of those by simply looping over them twice, basically. And that should give us then the Walsh averages. Now the Hodges-Lehmann estimate is then the median of those, so I can import the median function from the statistics package that comes with Python, and then actually just calculate that median to get 2.5, which was actually, I think, between the disagree and the neutral option. Alright, and that's about it actually. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.